What's up, guys? So you've went out and picked up an air rifle and you're wondering which pellets to buy. If you ask the air rifle manufacturers, they'll say that their pellets are designed for their rifles. But is that really true? In this video, we're going to test that out using a Gammo Whisper Swarm Mach 1 22 caliber air rifle. Another reason for using manufacturers' pellets is that they're easier to find at the stores that you probably bought your airgun from. It can be a lot simpler just to pick up a few tins of pellets when you pick up the airgun versus buying a bunch of pellets online. So for this video, I've got a bunch of Gammo brand pellets to test in a Gammo air rifle, and we're going to put them up against two of my favorite budget pellets. So let's do a 5-shot group with each pellet type at 20 yards. Okay guys, so what did I learn from shooting all of those pellets? What did I learn was the more accurate pellet for that Gammo air rifle? Was it the Gammo pellets that Gammo recommends, or was it a different brand of pellets? And what would I recommend to somebody who is getting into air guns or who is looking for accurate pellets for their air rifle? Now, every air rifle is going to be different. Every air rifle, even the same brand, the same make and model, is going to be different. So I do recommend getting a few different types of pellets to test through your air rifle. Now, the first pellet that I tried through the Gammo was the Gammo Hunters, and they're a more traditional type pellet. They are a normal weight. They're not heavy, they're not light. And those did really well out of that Gammo air rifle. When I started to shoot the pointed pellets, the groups open up. I suggest don't even try the pointed pellets. Talking about pellet weight, when I tried the TS-22, a really heavy pellet, they were so unpredictable that I had to move my phone. I was afraid that I was going to shoot my phone. So stay away from super heavy pellets. And then the Gammo Red Fires did a 1.14 inch group at 20 yards open sights, which is pretty good for me. Those seem to be a good pellet, but when you look at the cost of those versus something that's really high quality like a JSB, I would probably just go ahead and get a good JSB pellet. Now, out of all of them that we tested, the Excite hammers, which is some of my personal favorite pellets, especially in the budget realm, they are some of my favorite pellets for all air rifles. They did really well. And again, they're more that traditional type looking pellet. I'm not sure why Gammo wants to make something like the rocket with a BB in the end. They don't shoot well. I'm not sure why they're doing so many pointed pellets or really heavy pellets. I think if manufacturers would just make some high quality traditional type pellets, I think that then they could recommend their pellets for their rifles. But in my opinion, go ahead and pick yourself up a couple tins of JSBs, pick up some H&N Excite hammers, pick up some of those rifle Diablo pellets, get some traditional weight and style pellets that are high quality, and they're going to shoot better than the manufacturer's pellets. Check out my links down in the description. Check out my membership. I'll see you guys later.